I wanted to find out if you can actually make money on TikTok Shop Affiliate without filming a single video yourself, just by using AI generated creators built with Sora 2. And for the last 30 days, I went all in. I was excited to do this because there was no need for expensive UGC creators or having to wait weeks for them to deliver videos that I could post on my TikTok Shop account. In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how I set this up myself in terms of creating the AI avatars, finding a product to sell on TikTok Shop. Now, just a quick disclaimer, this is purely an educational experiment to see what's possible. It's not financial advice, guys. It's just my own experiment. Now, before we get into the video, guys, there is a like goal of just 500 likes. If we hit 500 likes, it tells me that you guys love these videos, and I'll leave something special in the pinned comment and in the description below if we do hit today's like goal. So guys, the first thing that I want to do is show you an example of how this AI UGC ultra realistic avatar promoting products on TikTok Shop Affiliate actually works, and how I stumbled across it to want me to experiment and try it myself. So there's a website out there called Callow Data. Now, I'm not sponsored or affiliated by them. They just show you TikTok shops out there that are generating lots of money. So you can see this one here called Ghoulie Nutrition. Now you can see it's generated $6 million in revenue. So it's a huge brand making loads of money on TikTok Shop. And the majority of their income come through affiliates promoting their product. So essentially the brand themselves don't run ads. They get affiliates to promote the product and earn a commission. So that's how this company distributes most of their revenue and success. Now check this video out. It's completely AI created.
Plant-based, vegan, and made with clinically evening stress used to get the best of me. Now I just take one of these Goli ashwagandha gummies, let the flavor melt in, and I can actually feel myself unwinding. They're plant-based, vegan, and made with clinically evening stress.
How crazy is that video, guys? It looks super realistic. The avatars holding the product, and if I go to their page, this page purely only creates, and it's got 118,000 followers. It purely creates AI UGC content promoting loads of different products, and they promote it through their TikTok Shop affiliate account, promoting different products. You can see there's so many different products they're promoting with AI UGC, and it actually looks real. Now, let me show you guys another example of this and how much this video generated in income. Now, going back on Callow Data, I found this video here that generated $163, but this creator's made like 8 of these. So in total, it's like $1,000. And check out this AI video.
Best food to eat if you want a slim stomach is not turmeric, it's not ginger, and best food to eat if you want a slim stomach is not turmeric, it's not ginger, and it's definitely not blueberries. Just 1 teaspoon of this food reduces gut inflammation 60% more than turmeric and ginger combined. It has been used for thousands of years in Asia, yet most people in America have never even heard about it. This food restores blood flow, strengthens the heart, clears veins, improves circulation in the legs.
Now, that video was made by this creator here, and if I open up their creator account, they've generated almost $2,000 in just the last 30 days. Now, this is a small account, and they're making just AI videos like that podcast style video promoting health products. Now, to generate almost $2,000 and you're just making AI videos that are really not that hard to make, and I'll show you in a minute how to do that, is crazy, because most of that revenue is pure profit. So even if worst case, they were only left with $1,500 after the fees, they're still making crazy money alongside whatever else they're doing. So just by seeing this, guys, it made me want to try it myself. So the first thing that I did, guys, is I went back to Callow Data, and I went to product, and I went to sales grow rapidly. And then I filtered this down by a category. Now, the category that I chose was beauty and personal care and food and beverage. Now, the reason why I chose those 2 categories is because I found that with AI UGC creators, these are the 2 categories that have been working the best for those AI pages. Now I'm seeing these different products like Glow Skincare. We've got some of these protein powders. We've got some of these health supplements, which is called Guru Nanda whitening strips. So to get your teeth looking white. All of this kind of stuff is the stuff that does well with AI UGC creators. And you can see here the revenue that was generated in the last 30 days just from these products. Now, the product that I stumbled across that I wanted to use for my own experiment was this Routine Wellness Coconut and Vanilla Anti-Thinning Hair Shampoo. So this was the product that I chose. Everything looked cool. Everything looked promising with this product. The revenue looked promising. When I scrolled down, I was able to see the top performing creators for this product. And I was also able to see the top performing videos for this product that I could replicate using AI. Now, this is the really important bit, guys. We have to figure out what are the best performing videos for the product so that we can replicate them with an AI avatar. So this is where it's super important to go through the first page of 10 best performing videos, and also to go through the top 5 pages to figure out which videos we want to remake. Now, this is one of the videos that I wanted to recreate because it's also made with AI. So for me, I know it's achievable to recreate it. So check this video out.
Last day to get it for crazy prices like this. If you want to get this, make sure you add it to your cart and go all the way to the checkout because TikTok will automatically apply your coupon. This is going to be the last.
Now, the crazy part is, guys, those AI videos, you can see here it's ranked number 3. It's generated $3,700, that basic AI video. And then the second video I just showed you is generated $754. So just those AI videos are doing well. Now, let's just say I want to replicate the best performing video. All I'm going to do is click on the video. I'm then going to go to where it says download video. Now, once I've downloaded the video, guys, I can come to Otter AI and I can upload that video. And what it's going to do is it's going to transcribe it so I get the written text so that then I can use it in AI. Then I'm going to head over to Genspark, which is, in my opinion, the best AI agent to create scripts because it's so powerful. And I've used this TikTok viral script system. Now, I've given it a prompt that you guys will get access to in the cheat sheet. And inside of this prompt, I'm basically telling this agent that I want it to create me a viral script for my TikTok shop affiliate account. And then at the end, I've told it, here is an example of a viral transcript from somebody else's video, so it can take the best parts of it and recreate them for me. Now, with all that being done, I can click send. Now, the next thing that I need to do is create an image with the product so that I can then turn it into an AI video. So we're still going to use Genspark to do this. We're going to head over to new. We're going to go over to where it says AI image, and we're going to go to where it says generate image. And then we're going to use the nano banana option. We're going to change the size by 9:16. Then we're going to use the remix option, and we're going to upload the image of the product. So you can head over to wherever you can find an image of the product, whether it be AliExpress, Amazon, or on the website of somebody selling it. And then you're going to enter the next prompt. So I put create an image of this product on a table, and then I'm just going to click send. Now, I redid it again, but I used mixture of agents. That way it uses Google Banana, GBT. If I'm going to be honest with you, GBT did the best version of the image. So what I can do now, guys, is download this. Then the next thing that I did, guys, is I went over to Arcarads because this is the platform I'm going to be using to generate the AI avatar. This is, in my opinion, the best place to generate AI avatars at the moment, unless you're going to be doing it locally on your computer. And to do it locally on your computer, guys, is actually very, very hard. So this is the easiest way and the fastest way as a beginner to do it using Arcarads. So if you guys want to check out Arcarads, there'll be a link in the description and in the pinned comment. But this is what I used. And what I did is I went over to where it said talking actors. I got this script that I made using Genspark. I pasted it here in the script. And then in the settings option, guys, I used Omni-Human. I used text to speech as the audio. And then where it says emotion, you're going to want to go to where it says auto added. Then once I did that, guys, I went over to where it says add actors, and I went to where it says create actor. Then I went back over to Genspark and I filtered it by Sedan Dream V4 as it's the most hyper realistic image model at the moment. And what I did is I changed it by 9:16 again. I went back to Genspark and asked the script maker to make me an AI avatar of a lady in the bathroom, and it gave me an image prompt. So what I can do now is copy this prompt, go back to the other Genspark chat and paste it. And then what I'm going to do is click send. And just like that, guys, it's made an ultra realistic woman in the bathroom. And you can see she looks super hyper realistic with the skin tones and stuff. So now what I can do is download this image. Now, the next thing I need to do is get Genspark to tell me what the actor should be doing. So now what I can do is I can copy those instructions over. I've uploaded the image of my model and I've also given it the instructions. And now I can click turn into talking avatar. And then I can click I confirm and turn into talking avatar. And then I can select a voice. Now I'm going to filter the gender to female and listen to a few of these voices.
Hey you, welcome to our
Hey you, welcome to Arcades.
Hey you, welcome. Hey you, well,
Hey you, welcome to our cards. Hey you, welcome to our cards. Hey you,
Hey you, welcome to Arcad. Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI. Hey you, welcome to Arcads. I'm one of the natural AI actors you.
I like this voiceover the most, so I'm going to click pick voice. And now you can see it says generating video. So the next thing that I did, guys, is whilst I'm waiting for my avatar to be created, I go back to Genspark because I want to now make some B-roll shots of basically overlaid videos on top of the UGC creator. So I went back to Genspark and I went to Gemini VO1 reference. I go to where it says image to video. I upload the image of the model, also of the product. And I create an image of the woman. She's looking at the camera while smiling and holding the product in her hand, showing it off. So now all I've got to do is click send. I'm just going to make sure it's the 9:16 and I can change this 5 to 10 seconds and I can click send. Now you can see Genspark's agent is understanding the task that I gave it, and now it's creating the VO31 video for me. And check this out, guys. This is the video clip that it made. It's used the same avatar and she's holding the product in her hand and it's looking really good. Now remember, this is going to be a B-roll shot of her doing this on top of the voiceover. So this is one of the clips that we've had made and the character consistency is there, which is really, really good. Now I'm going to generate another scene, but this time it's going to be of the woman, and you can see it says create an image of the woman looking at the mirror and applying the product after a shower. I'm going to use the same options again as I did before and click send. Now check the second clip out, guys. It's the woman applying the shampoo into her hair before the shower, and you can see the shower's running in the background, so we can add this as more B-roll. Okay, just to save a little bit of time, guys, I'm going to show you another avatar that I made for the account, and I'm going to be revealing the account at the end of the video. You guys can see I made these 3 different clips, so let me show you each clip I made within Arcads for the talking avatar. So this is the first 20-second clip that we made.
Stop scrolling. Today's literally the last day TikTok's doing this crazy deal. I almost didn't believe it, but when you add this to your cart and go to checkout and boom, 80% off. No code, no hassle. But it's ending today. If you've been eyeing this, now's the time to grab it before TikTok shuts it down. Trust me, you'll kick yourself if you miss this one. Tap add to cart and check it out.
Now this is the second clip.
Stop scrolling. Today's literally the last day TikTok's doing this crazy deal. I almost didn't believe it, but when you add this to your cart and go to checkout and boom, 80% off. No code, no hassle.
And this is the third clip that I made.
Wait, it's the last day to grab this deal on Routine Wellness's anti-thinning coconut and vanilla shampoo and conditioner. Clinically tested hair care that's flying off the shelf. Shop now before... Wait,
So those are the 3 clips that I made within Arcads, guys. And here is the result of making all the B-roll clips, having the avatars and the official account that we ran these tests on, as you guys can see on the screen. So if you were after the account, guys, this is the account we've been doing this on. This is the video, and I actually posted this video not long ago and it's already on 700 views. I reckon it will finish off on around about 2,000 views, so check it out.
Today's literally the last day TikTok's doing this crazy deal. I almost didn't believe it, but when you add this to your cart and go to checkout and boom, 80% off. No code, no hassle. But it's ending today. If you've been eyeing this, now's the time to grab it before TikTok shuts it down. Trust me, you'll kick yourself if you miss this one. Tap add to cart and check it out.
So adding that B-roll in and the talking avatar, the results are actually very impressive and it can get away as looking like a real video. You can see this is the account that I've been running this test on, and I've been trying different products, and I've been doing this now for a while just to give you guys the results of what we were able to achieve. Now this account has got a combined amount of views of almost around about 20 to 30,000 views. And in terms of how much money we've generated with this account, it's around about $200 to $300. Now, although that's not life-changing money, the experiment is crazy. The fact that you can now create AI videos that look super realistic and generate income from them, and the AI is only going to get better and better and better from here in terms of quality. And what some of the accounts are doing with AI videos, generating, $3,000, $5,000 a month. Some of them are doing $10,000 a month. It's actually insane what you're about to do. And what I can tell you guys that are watching this now, if you jump on this opportunity and you take full advantage and you put effort into making the videos, you can make some actual money from doing this. But let me know what you guys thought of today's video in the comment section below and what you thought of the experiment I've been running on this account for the last 30 days.